Buonasera and welcome. Welcome to Lamborghini. Last year was a very important year for Automobili Lamborghini, not only because we celebrated our 60th anniversary, but also because it was the kickoff of our new strategy to hybridize all the lineup of our brand. So we started with the Lamborghini Revuelto, our first plug-in hybrid car, and I also have to say that it was the most successful year of the history of Lamborghini in terms of deliveries to customers, in terms of turnover, and most important, in terms of profit. And we are reinvesting this profit in the future of the company. And the next kid of the block is the Urus SA, so our new car, which is the second step is hybridizing all of our lineup. And for me, it's a special moment in the history of Lamborghini because I had the honor and the privilege 12 years ago to present the concept car of the Urus in 2012. So it's something which is very, very close to my heart. So, but I also have to say, at that time, not everybody was believing into the future of the Urus and this super sports car segment. But we proved them wrong. We managed the challenge, and today this car is the most successful in terms of sales in the entire history of Lamborghini. And I also have to say that when we give a briefing now to our colleagues, to ourselves, it's always very easy. Every car has to be the super sports car in the segment we are going to enter. And also for this car, it's important that it's the most performing in terms of horsepower. It will have 800 horsepower, but it's also important and paramount that every car is not only more performing in the future, but also reducing the CO2 emissions. And with this car, we have reduced the CO2 emissions by more than 80%. And also the electric drive, so the electric mode gives you an autonomy of more than 60 kilometers. Ladies and gentlemen, the Urus SA. Thank you very much. Thank you.